Okay, let's try again. Definitely going to be mostly the fan that you hear on these videos from now on. So we'll just deal with it. Okay. We're going to start by recapping some grade 11 work, but that's probably going to last today and then first period on Monday, and then we're going to carry on with the grade 12 work. Sequencing series, quadratic sequences has Tn is equal to An squared plus Dn plus C as the general term, although the algebraic term, like daai An kwadraat plus Bn plus C hele bekend. Except for the fact that you actually did quadratic sequences in grade 11. I'm referring to something else. Wat anders lyk so iets? Mooi, 'n parabool. Met ander woorde, die grafiese voorstelling van 'n kwadratiese getalpatroon is 'n parabool. So if you are going to graphically represent a quadratic sequence, you will be drawing a parabola. Okay. Why is this important? Because in the Matric 2021 final paper 1, they gave them a quadratic sequence and they asked for the maximum value. They asked them something else as well, but they asked them what would the maximum value of the sequence be. En dan moes jy eintlik geweet het, alright, 'n kwadratiese getalpatroon as ek hom gaan teken is 'n parabool. En 'n parabool wat se armpies boontoe wys het 'n minimum waarde, and if its arms are pointing downwards, then it has a maximum value. So as jy hom dan benader as 'n parabool, is hy eintlik baie maklik om op te los, because you know how to calculate the turning point of a parabola. Okay. So it's important to understand that when we're working with sequences and series, some of them can be easily represented as a graph, and that can make your work easier for yourself. Okay, so dis die een ding. Dan die eienskap. The main thing that helps us identify a sequence as a quadratic sequence is the fact that it has a constant second difference. Okay, daai konstante tweede verskil. Now the other two that we're going to do in grade 12 have different properties. We're going to do one that has a constant first difference, which you've been working with earlier on in your life as well. Gewone reguit lyn. Okay. And then we're going to do one with a constant ratio. In other words, from term 1 to term 2, I might be multiplying with 2. And then from term 2 to term 3, multiply by 2. Okay? But more on that next week. So, ek wil gou saam met julle hierdie ene deurgaan, net 'n paar vragies van hom uitwerk. And then I'm going to give you one to attempt on your own. Okay. Won't you guys dive the heat? Is that better? It's not all. Is it better? Okay. Okay. So copy that sequence. Dis ons eerste voorbeeld. En daai wat ek daar vir julle in die reënboogblokkie geskryf het, onthou julle dit nog van daai jaar af? Sort of. Remember that is never ever going to be on the formula sheet. So jy moet daai 3 uit jou kop uit ken. Julle kry mos einde matriek 'n formuleblad, maar hierdie 3 vergelykings gaan nooit op daardie formuleblad wees nie. Okay. So die eerste ding wat ek gewoonlik doen wanneer ek met hierdie begin is hierdie loops. Why can we immediately identify this as a quadratic sequence? Stem julle saam, hy het 'n konstante tweede verskil. Né? Okay. Ons gaan net 3 vrae van hom doen en dan gaan jy dieselfde 3 vrae gaan doen met die ander ene wat ek vir julle gaan gee. Okay? The first question is calculate term 5 for me. So dis die maklikste om van onder af boontoe te werk met hom. So as ek hierso nog 'n 2 gaan bysit, wat gaan die volgende verskil wees? So what's this answer? $24. Hannes, is jy right? Goed. Okay, volgende ene bepaal vir my term 1. Nou, hierdie ene hier, kry jy daar. Hierdie ene kry jy daar. En hierdie ene kry jy daar. Onthou julle dit? Daai D2 is mos vir die konstante tweede verskil. D1 means the first term in my first differences. And T1 is literally the first term of the sequence. So ek gee gou vir julle 'n paar sekondes om daai ene op julle eie te probeer instel en uitfigure. Okay, kry julle ook A is gelyk aan 1. Then I'm going to say 3 times 1 plus B is equal to 2. Okay? So B is equal to negative 1. Almal by? And then you're going to say A plus B plus C is equal to 4. Okay. Goed, met ander woorde sy algemene term lyk so. Almal van julle reg? Goed. So which term of the sequence will be equal to 654? Which means I'm looking for a position. Nee, ek soek 'n posisie in hierdie getalpatroon. Do you guys agree? Now the position is represented by the n. Die term self word voorgestel deur die tn. So where am I going to substitute the 654? For n or for tn? Tn. So I'm going to say 654 is equal to n squared minus n plus 4. And I'm solving for n. Watter soort vergelyking het ons nou hier? 'n kwadratiese 3-term, né? So, you can go one of two routes, but it doesn't matter which one you choose, you have to start with this. Okay, $1 million question. Wie van julle kan die formule onthou? What do I write first? Hey. Okay, so you can use that, or you could have said that. Why can n not be negative? It's a position, né? So omdat dit 'n posisie is, moet hy 'n positiewe heel getal wees. Okay, graad 12, ek gaan gou vir julle 'n ry neerskryf, dan doen jy net daai eerste twee vir my vir huiswerk. So werk net die 5de term uit en kry vir my die algemene term. Just calculate the 5th term and get the general term, and this one is going to work with fractions. So ek het die maklike een saam met julle gedoen en nou moet julle op julle eie hand sukkel.